Good morning children, hope you all are doing good. So this class I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 2, we need water. Okay, everyone take out your SEM 2 textbook page number 117. Okay, lesson number 2, we need water. Okay, so can you imagine without water we can able to survive? It is impossible to survive without water, because water is one of the essential thing for all the living things. Okay, so without water, the plants, animals and humans, it is not at all possible to survive. Okay, not only for the drinking purpose we are using the water, we are using water for a many purpose. Okay, for example, washing vessels, to clean our cloth, okay, to clean our house, for everything we are using water. Okay, because this water will play very important role for a living being life. Okay, so that is the reason the living beings need water to stay alive. Without water we can't able to stay alive. Okay, at the same time, whenever we are going out, okay, first and foremost thing what we will do, we used to take the water in water bottle, right? Because we don't know wherever the place we are going to visit, the water is good or not. So usually we used to carry the water in our water bottle. And when people are coming for a school, and even you people also used to bring water bottles to drink, right? Okay, because the water is very important. Okay. Also, whenever we are drinking the water, we should drink clean water. Okay, the clean water means either the water should come from the purifier, or else we can boil the water and we can filter it, then we can drink the water. So that is called as a pure water. Okay, here like air. So previous class we have studied we need air, right? Okay, without air although it is not possible to survive in the earth. So like that, without water also we are not able to survive in earth. Like air, living beings need water to survive. Earth can support life only because it has water on it. Yes, the earth, it is covered like we have only one part of land, and remaining the 2/3 of the part we are having a water, isn't it? So the water, it is covered our earth. Okay. In that we can see the ocean and sea water. The water is too salty, it is not suitable for drinking purpose. Okay, so then which water we are drinking? So we are drinking a fresh water, whichever the water we are getting from the rain. Okay, that is called as a purest water. We are drinking that water whenever the rain it will fall. Okay, you can see whenever the rain it will fall, the water, everything it will be going under the soil. Okay, when it is going under the soil, in down also the water level get increased. The earth down level part we are having a water. Okay, that water level it will get increased. Okay, so that's how whenever we are putting a bore well, okay, the water it will come from a ground of the earth, and we are drinking that water. That water is suitable for drinking purpose. So like that we are getting a water, like that we are getting a fresh water to drink and do various types of activities. Okay, we need water to stay alive. Without water we can't able to stay alive. That's why whenever we feel thirsty, and whenever your body requires, whenever you are feeling thirsty, right, that means our body is requiring more amount of water. For example, you are playing now. Okay, after coming to your house, what you will do? The first work, you will be drinking plenty of water, because your energy is wasted. Also your body requires more amount of water. Okay, for that we used to drink water. Okay, so this water it will be helpful to maintain your body weight. Okay, not only the body weight, which are the organ, like whatever the food we are eating, it has to get digested. For that also we have water. Okay, and whatever the waste we have in our body, that also we have to excrete via urine. No, for that also we need water. So without water, the living things can't able to survive on the earth. Next, we must carry water bottle whenever we go out. Whenever we used to go out, first foremost thing we used to get the water bottles, isn't it? Next, we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay, we are not supposed to drink very little amount of water. You should take more amount of water because our body is working continuously, okay, and each and every part need water to do their work. For that, we should take sufficient amount of water, that is 8 to 10 glasses of water we have to take every day. Next, we should drink only clean water. Dirty water can make us sick. Okay, as I mentioned, you should drink always pure water. So that means the water should come from the water filter, or else we have to boil the water and we should filter it. We have to take that water. That is called as a pure water. Okay, and the dirty water, whenever you are taking a dirty water, the water is directly coming from the tap. Okay, or else you are drinking some river water or lake water, whatever it is. So those water, it is filled with dust, mud, everything. If you are taking those water, what will happen? We will be falling sick. We will be having a vomiting sensation and diarrhea. So like that, we will be having a certain health issues. Okay, and the sea water is too salty. As I mentioned, the ocean and sea water is too salty, so it is not suitable for drinking purpose. Next, plants also need water. Yes, the plant also is coming one of the living being, right? So if you are not pouring water to the plant, what will happen? The plant will die within a week, isn't it? If you are not giving a proper amount of water for the plant growth, the plant can't able to survive. Okay, because the plant also one of the living being. Okay, so you need water to prepare their food. Okay, so if you are not giving the water, so obviously the plant also will die. Okay, so that is the reason the plants also need water to survive. Next, if they do not get water, they will die. When we water the plants, the roots taken in water, it sends to all other parts of the plant. Okay, for example, this is a plant. Okay, so I am keeping in a pot. Okay, so every day I am pouring water. So what happens when we are pouring water into the soil? Here the plant will be having a roots, right? This root, it will absorb the water and it will be sending to the all other parts of the plant. Okay, so like that it will absorb the water. Okay, whenever you are pouring the water in the soil, the plant roots used to get absorbed, suck the water, and it will be transported to the all the parts of the plants. Okay, it will be that water, it will be sending to the all the parts of the plant. And so likewise, even animals also need water. Okay, because the animal also, it is one of a living thing. It need water whenever it is feeling thirsty. Like humans, even animals also will be drinking the water, right? Okay, so animal using the water to drinking purpose, to take bath, for everything. Even the animals also will be using the water. Okay, next, sources of water. Where we are getting a source of water? The main source of water we are getting from the rain. As I mentioned, whenever the rain it will come, that water it will go into the soil. Okay, from under also we have water. Okay, it will be increasing your underwater level, underground water level. So whenever the water level it will get increased in the underground, so whenever we put the bore well and all, okay, so that water it will be coming to our house through the taps. So those waters are fresh water. It is suitable for drinking purpose. Okay, so like that we are getting the water. The main source of water, it is a rain. Okay, then sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Other sources of water are mountains have snows. This snows melt and water comes as a river. For example, we will take the example of Himalayas. Okay, the Himalayas are very high hills. It is called as a mountains, right? Okay, it is having a very high hills. On the top of the mountain, for example, there is a mountain. On the top of the mountain, it is covered with snow. Top of the mountain, it is covered with snow. Whenever the sunlight will be falling on the snow, what will happen? Slowly this snow will be start melting and it will form as a river. Okay, the snow it will start melting and it will be forming as a river. Okay, so that's how we are getting a Ganga river from the Himachal. Okay, the top of the mountains it is covered with snow. Whenever the sunlight will be falling on those snows, the snow it will be start melting and it will form as a river. Okay, so that we are considering as a river water, also as a one of the fresh water. Okay, and during rainy season, the rain water falls on the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. So whenever the rainfall it will be more, obviously we can able to see in a lake or a pond, river, the water flow it will be very high. Okay, so that also it is considered as a one of the sources of water. Next, river water is filtered and sent to the home through the pipes. Okay, now for example you can take Kaveri river. Okay, that river water it is coming to our pipes, right? So they will clean that water and they will be sending to the each and every homes to the pipes. Okay, using pipes, water pipes, they will be sending to the each and every home. So we are drinking Kaveri water, right? Okay, so that is also one of the source of water. Next, people living in villages use hand pumps and wells to get water. This water is not clean or should be boiled before drinking. In village side or a town side, they will be having a tube wells and they will be having a bore wells. They will pump the bore well. Okay, when they will be pumping the bore well, the water will come from the underground. Okay, that water is not that much pure. Okay, because directly it is coming from the ground, maybe mud or dust particle will be there. So those kind of water we should boil and we should filter it, then we should drink the water. You are not supposed to take as direct as how it is coming. You should boil the water, you have to filter it, then you should take that water. Okay. Next, clean water is very important for healthy humans, animals and plants. Dirty water causes many health problems and diseases. As I mentioned, whenever you are drinking the water, you should take a pure water. Okay? If you are taking any dirty water, it leads to one or other diseases. Okay? And what are the things we are using for water? Okay, clean water, for which are the things we are using? Water is used for drinking. Okay, we are drinking the water, right? We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in every day. Next, water is used for cleaning purpose. If you want to clean your floor, if you want to mop your floor, obviously you have to use some water, isn't it? Next, water is used for cooking purpose, to washing vegetables or to boil the rice or to boil the dal, whatever it is, we are using water for a cooking purpose. Next, water is used for washing clothes. Yes, we are using plenty amount of water to wash our clothes. Next, water is used for bathing. Yes, every day we used to take bath, right? How we are taking a bath? Using the water only we can able to take bath. Next, water is used for brushing your teeth. Okay, for everything, for each and every activities we are using the water for, including brushing your teeth. Next, water is used for put out of fire. See, if the fire catches, we used to call the fire engine, right? So they will come with a very big water tank, and wherever the fire has been catched, for that place they will be pouring the water. Okay, and also water is used for agriculture. The agriculture means they will be doing the land cultivation or no farmers. For that they will be cultivating the plants and crops. For that water it is very important. Okay, for agriculture field, so we used to use plenty amount of water for growth of plants and crops. Okay, so remaining topic I am going to discuss in the next class, children. So after that I am going to read the lesson reading. Everyone be ready with your Sem 1 textbook. Everyone take out Sem 2 textbook, page number 117. Lesson number 2, we need water. Like air, living beings need water to survive. Earth can support life only because it has water on it. We need water to stay alive. That is why we'll feel thirsty when our body needs water. We must carry a water bottle whenever we are going out. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. We should drink clean water. Dirty water can make us sick. Sea water is salty. It is not fit for drinking. Plants need water too. If they do not get water, they will die. When we water the plants, the roots take in water. It is sent to another parts of the plant. Animals also need water. They drink water. They also bath in water. Many animals live in water. For example, fish. Okay. Next, sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. The other source of waters are mountains have snow. This snow melts and the water comes down as rivers. During the rainy season, the rainwater fills rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. River water is filtered and sent to homes through pipes. People living in villages use hand pump and wells to get water. This water is not clean and should be boiled before drinking. Clean water is very important for the health of humans, animals and plants. Dirty water causes many health problems and diseases. Water is used for many things. First point, water is used for drinking. Second point, water is used for cleaning. Third point, water is used for cooking. Fourth point, water is used for washing clothes. Fifth point, water is used for bathing. Sixth point, water is used for brushing teeth. Seventh point, water is used to put out fire. Eighth point, water is used for agriculture. And next topic, that is save water. Water is very precious for life. We cannot imagine life without water on earth. We can help in saving every drop of water in and around our homes. We should follow few things to save water. First point, do not leave the tap running while brushing your teeth. Second one, use bucket to take bath instead of a shower. And next, third point, use water in a bucket to mop the house and wash the car in the place of running water. Use the left water from our school water bottle, and that water we can water to the plant. Do not let water overflow while filling buckets or water coolers. Next topic, that is storage of water. Water should be stored in a clean containers. The place where we store water should be clean. And next is making water our enemy. We humans are polluting the water. See, in many ways we are polluting the water. So whenever we are taking this dirty water, what will happen? It will affect the human health. These activities have led to many diseases. And next, do's. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Save every drop of water. Don'ts. Do not let the water overflow while filling buckets. Do not pollute water. Okay, you can read the lessons twice, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in an interactive session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.